is? What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy Bifix here, and I'm back with another video. As y'all can see by the title, man, we have a beautiful demand setup here. And if you click on this video, bro, I really want you to just lock in on this video because, like, these are the setups that you could be taking. You could be catching these same setups, bro. Like, supply and demand is so fucking easy. It's not like there's so many strategies out there, right? I've tried multiple strategies, and out of all the strategies that I've tried, bro, like supply and demand come out on top every time because it's so fucking simple and it's deadly, bro. Like, you can easily catch 1 to 4s. Look at this. I caught a 1 to 4 right here. With, I'm not gonna say you're gonna catch 1 to 4s every day, but the market is going to give you a lot of pips with supply and demand. You're gonna get them nice risk to reward if you learn supply and demand. And if you've been watching my videos for some time, you probably catch on what's going on, bro. But I want, if you click on this video, it means you want to learn how to trade. That's something I understand already. So just take this shit serious, gang. Like, just try to fucking learn. Try to, like, don't just watch my videos just like that. Like, go try to do your own back testing. Go on TradingView back test, trade demo, practice, bro. Because if you can master supply and demand, bro, I promise you, bro, you're gonna start. You can easily pass a prop firm. I got students who pass prop firms, bro, who's getting payouts. You get what I'm saying? So I know there's persons who's just watching, and not taking any action, but I want you guys to start taking actions, right? Anyways, we had this demand set up here, bro, and this is a counter trend trade that I took. Definitely was going against the daily time frame. Let's just go on the daily time frame to see what's up real quick. Because the daily time frame was bearish, and I took a buy, so that's obviously going against the trend. All right. I mean, the overall time frame, it was on an uptrend, but we did have a reversal. If you look right here, yes, we were making higher highs, but then this, when we made the swing right here, we broke a low, which means the direction of the market is changing. And then after we break this low, the market makes another swing. That swing failed to break this high. And the fact that it failed to break this high, that means the market direction is changing. So we're bearish at this point, but I took a buy. Now, why did I take a buy? Honestly, as I tell some persons, bro, with supply and demand, bro, and the way I trade, I can risk taking losses. I've been trading supply and demand for years, so I know my strategy, bro. So I don't always tell people to like take counter trend setups, especially if you just start out, bro. Always try to take trades that is going with the trend, because that will always increase the probability of your trade actually winning. But cool, we get that out of the way. But if you look at this right here, we had aggressive buying coming out of our demand zone right here. So fucking strong. Like, look at all these green candlesticks, right? That just shows that there was a lot of buyers in the market at that point, right? Now, this aggressive buying needs to break structure. So if you look on the left hand side right here, you see that all these highs are broken, right? All these highs are broken right here. So that just simply shows that, okay, we have some buys in the market, as I said. And supply and demand, it has to have a gap, right? And I think I made a videos on gaps before, but gaps, I may need to make another videos on gaps because it's it's gaps is a little bit tricky and it takes time to explain. If you want to understand gaps, watch my past videos, right? But we had a gap, so that's one. We had a gap. We had aggressive buying coming with the four zone, and our aggressive buying broke structures. That is three confluences: aggressive buying, gap, and or aggressive buying break structure. That's all I'm looking for. And what I did, I waited for price to come back to my zone, which it did, as you can see right here, and then I wait to get an entry. I wait for the breaker candle entry because I want it to be a little bit more sure in comparison to normally, right? And that's literally it. I took the buy, We barely even we price reverse a little bit as you can see, but look at that shot up, bro. Like literally, I made over 5K in this trade. I went for a 1-to-1. Always go for a 1-to-1, and I leave that runner, bro. And that was just simply it. I was aiming for liquidity right here for this high. Price always like to grab liquidity, bro. And that was simply it. No, you guys could be taking these setups, right? It's mad easy, bro. And I mean, I can't force you guys to like want to trade or anything like that. All I can really do is come on here and try to motivate you guys and tell you guys that hey, supply and demand is the way. You need to try to learn supply and demand or whatever. But if you guys don't want to like take these setups, man, I can't force you guys. I'm only here to try to help the persons who want to win, who is interested in trading, and that's really it. But yeah, bro, like that's just really it. There was a lot more setups that I was looking to take, but this one was just so beautiful, man. Like I love this right here. This beautiful breaker structure. When you see that, man, like that's just really it. You get what I'm saying? And yeah, that really was just it, bro. So Um, I'm gonna keep dropping videos. I mean, I've been a little bit consistent since recently. I'm finally finding some time, which I'm happy for, right? So I'm gonna keep dropping videos, man. But if you guys really want to tap in with me, bro, go on my Instagram, gang. Like, just go on my Instagram. You can find me there. It's at BarFX. I post my live trading videos there, bro. And I'm gonna be dropping a community soon, right? It's gonna be free for some time, but after a time, I'm gonna of course charge persons to come in the community because I don't want my community to be full of time wasters. And the easiest ways to filter out time wasters is to put money in the picture, right? It's not a lot of money, of course, but yeah. So I don't want my community to be full filled with time wasters. So I'm gonna be charging after a month time. I'm gonna be taking in as much person as possible, right? But that's something in the making, bro. Whenever it's ready, I'm going to launch it here on YouTube, on Instagram, so you guys will find out about that. I think a community would be beautiful, bro. It allows, me to get a little bit more. It's like hands-on. I can always talk to you guys, and we can trade together and it's gonna be a beautiful thing, bro. I'm pretty much excited about it, but I'm working on things to have this done properly. All right, but I mean that's just really it for the video, bro. Like, it's currently Wednesday. I didn't trade Tuesday. This was a trade that I took on Monday. Uh, Tuesday I didn't take a trade. All right, I just didn't take a trade. I had some shit to do. Missed out on money, which I don't really like, but hey, you ain't gotta trade every day, bro. But it's currently Wednesday. I'm coming back. I don't trade on Wednesdays overall. I just don't trade on Wednesdays. Wednesdays just one of them days that, what I'm saying, like, it's bad. I don't like trading on Wednesdays, bro. It's like my strategies just don't really hit hard on Wednesdays based on, like, past experiences. So I just tell myself that, you know what, I'm going to stop trading on Wednesdays. So I trade Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday. 4 trading days out of the week. We don't trade on Saturday and Sunday because the markets is closed. But yeah, that's just really it. I'm coming back tomorrow. I've been in a nice win streak since recently. Let's see if we can keep this shit up, bro. Coming back tomorrow. Yeah, that should pretty much be it. Y'all have a wonderful time. Peace and love.